Hi and welcome to today's video. Today I'm going to be unboxing and reviewing the Derwent carry-all bag. I'm really excited about this. I got it in fact at a sale for just 999. I think the actual selling price is much higher. I will leave a link of it below. I think it's about 2000 or 2500 INR for the actual price. I got it on Sitaram Stationers for 999 during their annual sale, which is why I was super excited to get this. So this book, this bag can store a lot of things. It says it can store 132 pencils. It also has a shoulder strap included with it. You can add pencils, accessories, sketchbook, so many things. So for urban sketching, I am quite excited to try this out. So this is how it looks once you take it out from the packaging. It has one small section over here where you can put some tiny things inside, and then it has you can hold it up over here. It also gives you this Velcro, and you can open it this way. So this is how it is inside. There is a small section over here which has a zipper, so I can store certain things over here which I cannot put in here. For example, if I want to, let's say, add my eraser, and if I want to add some masking tape, and if I want to add a small scissor or a tissue paper which I want to keep for painting, then this is the place that I can keep it. They have given these gel. This is basically to protect the bag. Now that I've opened it, I don't need it. And they have all of these sections. This is really good. So there are totally 3 of these, and since it has 132, I think it'll be divided throughout, so it's very good. Let me just try putting a pencil through, and it fits perfectly fine. And it's also removable. I think that's the best part about this. If I don't want to carry so many pencils, I can just take that off, and here I can keep my sketchbook. I'm just going to try and keep one sketchbook inside. This is an A5 size sketchbook, and it fits perfectly inside. I can put in all my pencils and close up the case and carry it anywhere that I want. This is the shoulder strap that they've given along with it. You can also increase the length of it. I'm going to just put this up to see how it is. So what I will be using this for predominantly is for urban sketching, and I'm going to add in like a lot of these color pencils, and also my Tombow brush pens, because I want to do like quick sketching. I'll probably carry some crayons as well. It does not have like a back strap, but that's fine. I think a good handle and this good shoulder strap is enough. It's pretty thick, so that's why it's good. This material is canvas, so although it may get a little dirty because it's because it's canvas, it is going to be easy for you to wash it as well. But I think it's okay to get your art bags a little dirty. That way it means that you have been using this quite well, the way it's supposed to be used. So I like it for that. So I'm going to try and see if we can open this out. Yes, it's so easy to take these out. So let's say I don't want to carry so much, and if it becomes heavy, I can just decide on the basis of the location that I'm going to. I can just decide to take one of this or none of it as well. So I can just like remove all of them and just carry this together. And I can also sketch with having this, probably, you know, like for example, I could just open a page, but it would get a little uncomfortable because of this section over here. But otherwise this is quite nice. I like that I'm able to put my sketchbook inside, which is so important for me to be able to hold. And this is a very good feature, because lately I've been experimenting a lot with mixed media, where I use color pencils, I use these brush pens, I use my fountain pen, I also use some crayons to add in like a lot of fun details and layering. So I'm quite excited to fill up this bag. In today's video, I'm just going to only show you what's inside the bag. I'm not really going to fill it up, because for filling it up I do need a little bit of time. I need some iterations to figure out what works the best for me. But I think overall, with what I have seen for the price that I have paid, this is brilliant. I'm super happy with it. It's quite lightweight, it's not too heavy, so that way I'm really happy. So this was just a quick introduction video of what you can expect if you buy this. I will definitely put up more follow-up videos where I tell you what exactly I put inside my bag, and I'll probably also put up a video of how I've used it on location, and that can help you to understand how to fill it up, like mine. But of course, each artist or each person has their own style and own needs, so I would highly recommend you to figure out what would work best for you and carry the things that you require. Over here you can put like very important things, or you can even put like some, let's say, some tissue papers. So easy to access products can be put over here, or if you're carrying some cash, you could have like a little bit of money over here, and it's easy to access and quite handy. So far I'm really happy with the purchase, even more so because I got it on a brilliant sale. So thank you so much for joining me for today's video. I hope this was useful for you to understand about different kinds of art bags which are out there, and to figure out how to choose your own art bag. So I do have quite a lot of different kinds of bags that I use for my art that I do on location. So I will probably have a video where I show you all the different ones that I have used over the years, and why I still keep looking for different kinds of art bags. So this is the one by Derwent, and thank you for joining me for today's video. I will see you soon for the next one. Bye bye.